Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to create a Telegram channel for business. First, open your Telegram app and log into that. Once you log in, you can see a pencil icon, top right side corner. Tap on that. And there's a three option: new group, new contact, new channel. Select the new channel for business and tap on create channel, and you can give a name. So I'm keeping it here business name, and here you can give more information about your business. And once you're happy with it, you can tap on next icon. In this option, you can share a link with your customers, and you can restrict saving your content, toggling this for right side. Once you are happy with it, you can tap on next option. And if you like to invite your family and friends, you can select those people and select next. And we have created a Telegram channel for your business. And this is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe for my channel.